Hello, and welcome to User Experience Design, Understanding Users and Business. In this installment, I'll be your guide, Chris Becker. If you're interested in other user experience design courses, look under my name under Pack Publishing, as this is one installment of many that have been designed for you to understand and get engaged in what user experience design is and how it works. In today's video, we're going to do a quick overview of the course and then get started in the first section, which is relating and understanding some aspects of users and business. So what you'll learn today in this video is a little bit of an overview about my background as your guide and host of this information. We'll talk about some sections and then we'll review and get excited for the journey of learning more about users and business. So I'm your guide, Chris Becker. I have a background in graphic design from Colorado State University and a master's degree from the Art Center College of Design in Pasadena in media design. I've been doing user experience design for the better part of 15 years and have been engaging in everything from freelance to working with SaaS companies and education outputs and designing and building everything from small apps and startup outputs to large system-wide components. Some of my projects include things for companies like Apple and Toyota, Vulcan Productions, and many, many more. You can find me on the web where I've been engaging in conversation about user experience design and many other things that are kind of interesting to me. And then some of my work if you're curious to see what I've been up to. In today's course, as I was saying before, we're going to do an overview of the sections that will be covered in users and business. Section 1 is just a basic overview. Then we'll get into businesses and defining their problems for them and the problem statement. Section 3 will be about how we relate user hypothesis and we equate that to business KPIs. All of this stuff you'll learn as it will be a little jargony at the moment. Section 4 will be more about relating and understand business requirements. And then finally, wrapping up with equating how we create user journeys inside business funnels. All throughout this course, you'll really be applying it through 3 main methods, right? You'll learn, you'll apply, and then you'll test some of that in the real world. Now, learning human-centered design and methodologies is really about kind of applying some of the things that you've learned to this date, or you've maybe learned in other UX courses that you've taken, or even other information that's shared through Pack Publishing and the courses that I've been providing. But the important part is that as you apply your skills, it's about practicing and getting better with them over time. Throughout this process, we're going to get really excited and we're going to continue to work on the journey of improving our business side knowledge so that our technical skill in the design and our knowledge of how to build stuff in code all start to coalesce around really helping businesses think and solve through the lens of a user experience cycle. The reason that we do this is because user experience design is solving problems for a user. And sometimes that user is allowing our business to succeed. Now, if we can equate the through line between how business and the decisions they make and the decisions that users are trying to make, where they overlap the most, that can then help in creating strategy and building outputs, and then also in improving the user experience of a service or a product or an output over time. Because it's not just quick fixes here and there, it's a constant consideration of how these things all interact and interplay.